I'm happily discovering a newness in me that is very, very beautiful. And I really want to continue to uncover just that truth inside of me and be able to access that creatively.
Welcome back to the channel, fam. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Set it to all so you don't miss out on anything. Now let's get into this. We've all been keeping up with Utando Nestembu, and we all know them Seleko household is never short of trauma.
Mangwabe ukhavile kodwa uMakhumalo uyahamba uyabhushuzela.
And this time, at the center of it all is the new bride, Makhwela. What started as a quick video upload on her social media platform has now turned into an absolute nightmare for her, to the point whereby she has even disappeared from Instagram. Her page seemingly has been deactivated, and she also went on to turn off comments on her TikTok. She is currently facing a massive wave of backlash across social media platforms, and people are not holding back at all. She has even made it to newspaper headlines. And all this happened after she posted a video of herself, apparently with her man, whom she's not allowed to post, and baby met at the backseat of the moving car without a car seat, just strapped with a normal seatbelt that is definitely not for babies her age.
I'm happily discovering a newness in me that is very, very beautiful. And I really want to continue to uncover just that truth inside of me and be able to access that creatively, access that, politically, access that emotionally, just as a human being, because it's healthy, and keep discovering who I'm meant to be.
Before she knew it, the clip was viral almost instantly, with viewers across social media platforms calling her out for what they describe as completely irresponsible behavior. The comments went something like, "I'm horrified. I thought everyone's mad because she was in front with the baby. She put less than 2 years in a seatbelt. Patun samke." Yikes, someone said, a standard seatbelt on a 2-year-old? That is incredibly dangerous. And things escalated. Everything got messier when one user dropped some alleged behind-the-scenes context, claiming that Makhwela had said, apparently on her caption, that the effort to put the car seat in the car was too much for a 5-minute drive. That was when people went even more crazier with the comments. And I understand this because I'm like, a 5-minute drive? Girl, Makhwela, accidents can happen in like 5 seconds, let alone 5 minutes. And the internet in this moment had to bring finances into it. One pointed out the obvious polygamy myth, saying if you can afford 5 wives, surely a 3K car seat is nothing. Y'all really had these kids on purpose. And I mean, when you look at it, the luxury lifestyle that is being portrayed on the show, people are genuinely confused. Like, you mean to tell me you bought all those houses for your wives and are living the lives you're living, but you don't care enough to buy your 2-year-old a car seat? But then again, they said they have it. Makhwela made it clear, apparently on her caption, that the car seat is there. It's just that she didn't feel the necessity of installing it for a 5-minute drive. And yes, when you think about it, it was really irresponsible of her, but these things happen. It's just that hers was publicly documented and scrutinized. But yes, it doesn't take away from the fact that it was very irresponsible of her to do. Another person said, obviously throwing shade, they were like, how do they get her a car seat if they got a baby stroller from ShopRite?
Yeah? Jesus. This is shock me.
But hey, let's dive into what seems to be real underlying family politics here, according to fans at least, because they're saying that the situation seems to run a little bit deeper than just the missing car seat. And all this came about when someone said Makhwela just wanted to create quick content for the vibes. There was a user that posed a very interesting question saying, I hear the car seat story, but what do you mean she can't even post him? Well, she does not have the authority to post him just yet. As the other wives do not approve of this, you will remember this was said on national TV. Some, however, are calling for praise towards Makwela. They even jokingly went ahead and said, what if they bump into Mangwabe and she sees the car seat and stuff? She then calls Makhumalo fast in a hurry. What then? You'll remember on the show what Musa said about those two, Mangwabe and Makhumalo, what they did to him in front of Makwela.
Elokugcina uMangwabe wathi uyazula la eMzumbi. Ngabona ukuthi yazi lo nkosikazi akakhulumi kahle nami. Ngahamba. Ngithena nje ngangijika phi ngisambe kancane. Wavele wafona uMakhumalo nge-video call. uMakhumalo azange anginike nokuthi ngimphendule.
I just wish for Makwela that she can find a way to use social media to her advantage and all this newfound fame, instead of always running away whenever she's being talked about, you know? What are your thoughts on this? Do you think the internet is being too harsh on Makwela, or she deserves all the criticism that she's getting? Let's continue in the comment section. Also, remember to subscribe if you're not, like, share. Until next time, bye, and thank you for watching.